are going to go see Notre Dame. And that's not it. So let's see where we gotta go.
Notre Dame in all its glory. Such a shame. Today we visited the Museum d'Orsay, Musée d'Orsay, which is a large museum featuring a lot of sculptures and Impressionist artists, Cézanne, Monet, Van Gogh, Manet, and so on. So, your impressions?
Well, I know popular interest out there is for Monet, but personally I like Pissarro, I love Degas, I love Manet, and a few of the other not so obvious names that are thrown out there that are obviously very French, because this museum is primarily about the French artist. There was an artist from Spain. He did some drawings here like most artists do when they come to Paris, and did a couple little bitty watercolors and a sketchbook. And the d'Orsay decided to take his sketches as part of a famous Spanish artist and enter him in d'Orsay as part of their famed artists.
The Museo d'Orsay was a former train station converted into a museum with many sculptures as well as art. The art is very beautiful, as well as the artists.
I'm glad we're doing this together. It's awesome. Look out. This is something so unusual. I've never seen that before. It looks like maybe wish I could read French at this moment. I don't know. Required curriculum. I had thought that I had come up with this beautiful, unique way of making three-dimensional come out of a wall. beautiful.
It seems that one of the things that you do in Paris is you eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And one of the things that I enjoy most about Paris is the frog legs. And I've had frog's legs 2 or 3 times, and they were delicious. And I had them for lunch here in a very unusual way. And it was a great lunch.
Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and you'll get notified when the next video is posted. Thank you for watching.